everybody, my name is Scott and they call me the Race Bum. I'm coming to you today live from PKRA, where after 6 months to maybe a year of planning and permitting, we finally have the observation tower behind me in place. I'm going to show you what we've done, and I'm going to show you the view from all 3 observation corners as well as where they're at on the track. Stay tuned and tell me what your thoughts are in the comments below. Now, this first observation deck that I'm going to show you is right as you exit the track to your right. It's approximately 18 feet to that platform up there. And it is at the outside of turn 8. So this should give a great view from the top. We're going to climb up there and show you what it looks like from up above. It's a long way to the top, but we definitely want our track workers to have a great view of our track. Not bad. Not bad at all. Now the corner ahead is corner 4. To the outside of corner 4 is another tower. We're going to go over and show you the perspective from that side of the track. This is the scaffolding platform for our corner workers to the outside of turn 4, and as you go around the carousel, exiting turn 5, going into the S's. This is going to be a great vantage point to see everything going on around the track. Now this is basically going to be your view as the carts exit turn 3 coming into 4. As they go all the way around, they'll be going through the carousel. You got a great view of everything on the track all the way around. As they exit the carousel, they can either go onto the kid kart track or they can go through the S's. This is going to give a great view for our corner workers. Okay, this is our last tower. I am at ground level looking eastbound toward the announcer stand, start finish line, as well as the flag stand. If you're going counterclockwise, you're going to go through the start finish line, you're going to go into the turn, left turn, you're going to come into the off camber with a right turn, you're going to go around the off camber, you're going to head into the Daytona, around the Daytona, and then you're going to head down the long straightaway. So this is the view at ground level. Now let's go to the top of the tower and show you what it looks like from up there. Okay everybody, now from the top of the tower, looking eastbound toward the start finish line, announcer stand, as well as the start finish. You're going to go through the start finish line, you're going to make a hard left turn. You're going to come around through the Daytona or through the off camber. Look at the view you got going through the off camber. You're going to come around the Daytona, then you're going to head down the long straightaway. This is just an awesome view of the entire track from this high up. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video and I hope you enjoyed everything I showed you today. That just kind of gives you a little idea of some of the progress going on at the track. Hopefully in the next couple months we'll be putting up, I believe, somewhere between 21 and 25 lights that will be the start of the project that the board is working on now. But as of right now, today, the towers are up. They've got a couple finishing touches to do, such as nuts and bolts. Make sure everything is safe for those that are climbing and using the tower, and I'll see you guys at the next races. Have a great day, everybody.